Who doesn't love certificates? Subscribers love to be certified for a workshop or course they have completed, and creators use it as a selling point. Even you can do the same. To generate and send certificates to your subscribers, just go to the certificates panel and choose one of the available templates to continue. Choose the group of subscribers you wish to send certificates to, whether they belong to a Mango, a group video call, or a course. Once done, add the certificate title and then type the contents of the certificate right here. You can customize the name of subscribers using the name variable within three curly brackets. Similarly, you can use the other variables listed here. Now you can update the image of your signature in a 1:5 ratio and can also update the logo of your company here. Once done, use the preview button to send yourself a test email, make modifications if required, and when all looks good, hit the create button. The certificate is now created and ready to be sent. You can edit further if you wish to, or just send to all from this button right here.